Okay, so this is our group project. It is a restaurant booking website for a mock restaurant called La Dolce Vita. So today I'm going to show you the features that we have, everything we've implemented, how we've made this website as complex yet as user-friendly as possible. Let's begin. So I'm going to begin by showing you guys our special dishes. So we have the section here on the home page. So this is our home page. You see on our navigation bar, you have the home, about, food menu, booking table, and favorites. Then you have the cart. You can search for a menu item, and this is where your user logs in. So let's begin. This is just the home page telling the users what the restaurant is about. Enjoy tasty and delicious food at La Dolce Vita. You can book a table, view our menu. Let's go down. Our special dishes. This special dishes page, it is dynamic. So this is not the only thing that shows here. It updates maybe every 2 minutes. So here you might see garlic bread. If you come back, you won't see garlic bread. You might see veg stir fry. It updates dynamically, and that's what this is about. You can add it to cart. It has reviews. Let's go down. Why people choose us. You can see it updated. Right here you can see that it updated. It changed. So it changes. It's not just static, it's dynamic. We use dynamic data. Then we have our why people choose us. This updates dynamically as well. It tells them why people choose us. There are different reviews. If you see what customers think about us, as you can see here, this updates dynamically as well. It pulls data from the database and it displays it to the user. Honest reviews. It shows them honest reviews made by people, and it changes every couple of seconds. Now let's move on to the next thing, the about us. About us. So this displays information about the restaurant, about us. La Dolce Vita is located in King's College, etc. It displays our opening hours, and then it makes use of the Google Maps to help the user find us, to help the user locate us. So that's what this is for. You can see subscribe to our newsletter. You subscribe. It shows this, everything. Very beautiful. Now let's go to the food menu, the bread and butter, no pun intended, of our restaurant booking website. Let's go to the morning menu. So here we have menu items that can be uploaded dynamically. They are pulled dynamically. You can upload menu items. I'll show you that later, but let's just show you what we have right here. For example, let's click on veg stir fry. Veg stir fry. You have a veg stir fry. It shows the description. Everything here is being pulled dynamically, by the way. So it shows the description, the prices which are being pulled dynamically as well, everything. Then the nutritional info of this particular item, per 100 grams to 50 calories. The protein is 8 grams, etc. Then you can add this to the cart. You can decide to have 3 of these meals and add this to the cart. But you need to be logged in to add items to the cart, which I will display very soon. You can register, so you have the ability to register in your account and a phone number. There you go. No allergens. This phone number has already been taken. So it also alerts if the phone number has already been registered. If the phone number is in the database, it'll tell you this phone number has already been taken. So you can't use the same phone number twice. Let's save this. David Jackson. And log in. Amazing. So David Jackson is logged in. Let's add a couple items to the cart. Item added to the cart. Now let's look at the cart. Now everything there is being pulled into the cart. It's here. So the 3 veggie stir fries we ordered displays here. Now let's proceed to checkout. So now you can proceed to checkout. You can put your information, address, 123. Oops. Oh, my bad. Let's say 22 Jackson Jumba Street, country. Let's say United Kingdom, of course, city Canterbury, postcode. CT1 2SW. No, CT1 7NY. Now let's click confirm payment.
It pulls all the recent orders associated with that user from the database, showing the database is dynamic, as we can see here. Here, I've logged in with a different user. And as we can see, the order history is different.
Now let's look at this. So you can add this to the liked item. So if you just want to save this for later, add this to the liked items. And what does it do? It's here, it's right here, and it saves with the user. Then you can decide to share this page with your friends. You share this with your friends. You can share it to anybody you want to. And let's move on to the next thing. Okay. Let's look at the contact us page. You can decide to contact us. You can decide to contact us, put your information, your name, your email, your phone number, select the topic of which you want to contact us, your reason for the message, and yeah. Now let's look at the FAQs page. FAQs. So frequently asked questions, they're all here. Let's not waste too much time on that. About us. I've already shown you this before. Let's not waste too much time on that. Privacy policy. Contains policy. Our privacy policy, we can't share your information, etc. You're entitled to your data protection and security. Now let's move on to the admin side of things. So the side of things that control this website from the admin's perspective. Let's begin. Let's log in to the admin dashboard. Yes. So now we're in the admin dashboard. You can manage reviews, manage messages, manage members, manage FAQs, create FAQs, etc., etc. So let's begin with manage reviews. So you see those reviews that were available there in the beginning. You have the ability to manage them. You can edit, you can delete, you can insert, etc. reviews. So all the reviews here are accessible to us. Let's say somebody makes a review with some foul language that we do not accept, we can't use curse words, we might have to delete the review and let the user know that they have to make a more PG rated review. Manage messages. So you see, you can manage messages, etc. You can mark as read. So messages we receive from customers, we can mark them as read, we can delete them, we can search them, you can like scroll through the messages, and we can manage members. So these are all the users we have as members of the admin, so you can manage who has access, you can manage who doesn't have access, you can delete, edit, etc. Manage FAQs, frequently asked questions. They're all available here. All frequently asked questions are here. You can even create a frequently asked question with an answer. Now let's go to manage menu items. You can even manage your menu items. They're all available here. So every single menu item is here. You can decide to edit. Let's say the price has gone up due to recession. You just come here, make it $5.99. Update. Boom. It's now $5.99, and it is going to reflect. It will reflect. Let's have a look. Boom. It reflects. So now it is $5.99 dynamically. You can decide to edit and say pork stir fry, for example, just to show you that all fields update. Let's refresh this. Pork stir fry. Now let's return everything back to normal. No, not to waste much of your time. Veggie stir fry. And you can create new menu items. You can create new menu items. You select the menu, add an image, item type, name, price, description, etc. And now the inventory. This is the inventory. So this lists all raw stock ingredient items we need to make our meals. So example now, let's say we want to make veggie stir fry. Every veggie stir fry meal makes the use of one quantity, so the quantity will go down by 1. So once the veggie stir fry, we've made a veggie stir fry meal, you come here, edit it, and reduce this by 1. Just so 99, reduce by 1. Reduce it by 1, and then when it's below 10, any item that's on the page, just put it out of stock, because we don't have the ingredients to make that item. So this inventory keeps track. It keeps track of every raw ingredient item, as a restaurant would, to make sure that we can provide the meals that the customers want. And if it's not available, we let them know, hey, it is not available. And yes, everything here is being pulled dynamically from the database. And that is our project. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.